Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and like always, we're going to talk about gold again. What is today? Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 9th, and I took 2 trades today, one during London session and then one during the New York session. And that's what I got marked up on the charts right here. And we're going to go over the trades, okay? So at first you can see in pre-London that the EMAs crossed over and were bullish, and at the start of the trading window, you can see that price is bullish and it crosses over this 4-hour high, previous high, or the previous 4-hour candle high. That's what that green line is indicating. So some members in the academy, Forex with Cody's group, caught the buys right there on the 5-minute signal, and you can see it nicely. Me, I missed it, so I stayed out of the trade and I went back to bed. That was about 1 a.m. for me, so I missed it. So I just went back to bed, and then I waited for London session, which starts at 3 a.m. My time. I'm on the East Coast. Anyways, so this trade came from the 15-minute, okay? 15-minute time frame, around 3 a.m. And again, you can see that the EMA's crossed over, going bearish now, 8 under 21. And we got the type 3 pattern in here, and we got a bearish signal, right? Sell signal. So place the sell stop about 5 pips below, and you can also see that it's now trading below the previous daily low. So yeah, place a buy stop below the previous candle, about 5 pips, got activated, and I ended up taking profit around 22 pips. And the reason I did that is because you can see it started to reject, and it was also at a kind of a level of support that you can see right in here. Price has been rejecting that zone. So I just saw some rejection happening, so I decided to take my profits and call it a day. And then I was just happened to get an alert. I got alert set up on the indicator. So an alert went off for me during the New York session, and at this time I'm at my 9 to 5. So I just happened to look at the phone when the alert went off, and I entered this trade. Again, this one came off the 15-minute, and again you can see the EMAs crossed over nicely, right? And had a big spike up, came back, retested the EMAs, and then gave a type 3 pattern bullish signal for buys, right? Again, same thing. Placed a buy stop above the previous candle, about 5 pips. Price is now above the daily high. Yep, the daily level high, and got activated. Price shot up about 10 pips, right? 10 pips. I normally move my stop loss to break even. I was targeting a 1-to-1. Again, because I'm at my 9 to 5, I ended up taking profits about right there for 30 pips. Again, I could have left it alone. I was already risks free. I should have left it alone, but again, I'm at my 9 to 5 and I'm not really focused in, so I took my profits and I called it a day. And this New York trade, I did lower risk on it since I already had one during London session. But that's it. Those are my 2 trades for today. And then as you can see, price just continued to shoot up. We had more buy signals, but these were invalid. They never got triggered, or they never would have got triggered. I didn't look at them. I didn't pay attention because I already had 2 trades and I was done for today. Let me show you the stats so far now. I got 19 wins, 1 break even, and 5 losses. I took a trade during Asian session the other day, and I normally don't trade that session because I tend to lose more during Asian session. So that was a no-no for me. Bad idea. But anyways, guys, that's it. I'm gonna end it here. So please leave a like, subscribe, comments, and I'm gonna leave a link below, guys. Make sure you check it out. It's for that indicator, the best indicator for gold. But that's it. Until next time, guys. Thank you.